The Yeedi C12 Combo is a versatile cleaning device that integrates vacuuming, mopping, and robotic functions, making it a comprehensive solution for maintaining cleanliness in your home. With an impressive suction power of 10,000 pascals, this vacuum effectively removes large debris and dust from various surfaces, including hard floors and carpets. It features advanced mapping and navigation technology, allowing it to clean autonomously and efficiently without the need for constant supervision. The auto-emptying base station is a convenient addition, eliminating the hassle of manual dustbin emptying and ensuring the filter remains unclogged for long-term use. The C12 Combo also includes a mopping function with a generous water tank capacity, enabling it to tackle stubborn stains and cover an area of up to 200 square feet. Equipped with zero-tangle technology, this device minimizes hair entanglements, reducing maintenance needs and ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted cleaning process.